Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milena and I love to make videos about makeup and fashion, so if you love either of those two things, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with everything that I'm doing with those two. So in today's video, I am going to be filming how to make the green in your eyes pop. I know that my eyes are hazel, but I love when the green in my eyes stands out. So that is what I'm going to be showing you how to achieve today. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure that you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I've set my eyes with the Make Up Your Mind Eye and Cheek palette by NARS. I'm not sure what the shade is called, but it is this one. I'll put it in the description box. So next, I am going to go into the Tati Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this shade. It's called the Soothe Matte right here, and I'm going to blend that into my crease using a blending brush. This one is by Zoeva. It's the 228 Luxe Crease Brush. So I'm going to go into that, and I'm just going to work it into the crease. And I'm going to give my eyes more of a round shape this time, rather than making them go out like a cat eye like I usually do. Just because I want my eyes to look bigger. So I'm going to work it in a circle like that. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Okay, so after that, I am going to go in with the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette, and I'm going to take this kind of light brownish shade, and I'm also going to work that into the crease the same way that I did with that lighter color. We want to make this more of a smoky look, so we're going to blend all of this out. So I've personally noticed that to make my hazel eyes make the green pop out more, darker colors will make that happen. So this is going to be more of a smoky look. So it's going to be mostly browns and purples, blending together that we don't have too many harsh lines. So I'm just going to take a clean brush and kind of go over that. I know it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I promise it's going to look great at the end of it, so just bear with me. And then I'm going to take that clean brush and just try to blend all these colors in one more time. you just want to make sure that you're not getting this darker color too much on the outside over here, because you want to make the colors kind of blend like from lightest to darkest. So you want the darkest color focused mostly on your lid. So once all of those colors are blended out, I'm going to go back into the same Tati Beauty palette, and I am going to take this matte Poet shade right here at the bottom right, and I'm just going to put that right into my lids. And I'm not cutting the crease just because I don't think it's really necessary right now. I want it to look more smoky. I don't want it to be too dramatic at the lid. I want it to kind of all just blend in together, so that's why I'm not cutting the crease. Now I'm just gonna take that same brush that was clean and just kind of blend that into the other colors. Make sure that everything is kind of meshing together. Okay, so now that I've blended all of those colors together, I am going to take this Charlotte Tilbury color Chameleon in the color Amethyst Aphrodisiac. So this is kind of a sparkly purpley color, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. So what I like to do is I first color it into my lid. So you can see it's making it a pretty nice dark purpley color. And I'll blend that in with my finger. And then I'll take this and I'll just rub my finger into it so that I could get a lot more of that color payoff onto my finger. And then I'll tap it into my lid just to make that color more noticeable, more, what's the word I'm looking for? More defined. So I want that purple sparkle to really show in my lid. And if your color is kind of bleeding like this, that's okay, we'll fix it towards the end with some concealer. So I'm just gonna keep working it in like that. And then I'll take that same brush and I'm just gonna kind of just make that blend into those other colors so that it's all meshing together. So as you can see, I've blended out my lower lash line a little bit. I went into the Tati, the Matte Ritual shade. Sorry, my palette's a little bit banged up. When I got it in the mail, it came in a little bit broken, so that's why it looks like that. But I did that to my lower lash line, and then once I did that, I'm going to take this Matte Poet shade that I did in my lids, and I'm going to blend that into that brown shade as well. But I'm going to try to get it a little bit closer to my waterline. Okay, so once I've blended everything into my lower lash line, I'm going to take a highlighter shade. This one is going to be the Desi X Katie Fuego by Dose of Colors. And I'm going to work that into my brow bone and into my inner corner. Okay, so now that I have blended in that highlighting shade into the eyeshadows, I'm going to take this Pat McGrath eyeliner. It's the Permagel Ultra Glide eye pencil in Blitz Brown. It's kind of a sparkly brown shade, and I'm going to do that in my top and bottom waterline. Okay, so I'm taking that same pencil brush that I used to fill in my bottom lash line, and I am just going to kind of smudge that eyeliner that I just put on my bottom waterline. You don't want to poke your eye out when you're doing this. Make sure you're not going in your eye, but you want to get just close enough to the waterline to where you're touching where that product was on and blend it out. Okay, so now that we have finished the top and bottom of our eyes, I'm just going to put on some liquid liner, some lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. So, as you can see, my eyes are pretty purpley. That was the point. Typically when I wear more dark, smoky, purple shadows, people comment on my eyes saying that they really look green tonight, and that one shade that I used by Charlotte Tilbury, that is specifically to make the color of your eyes stand out. So she has different shades for different colors of the eye that will make each color stand out. And I chose the one for green eyes. Even though I have hazel eyes, I really wanted the green in my eyes to stand out. So that's the one I chose. Every time I wear purpley shadows, I get comments on my eyes saying that they look a lot more green tonight, whatever it may be. So I thought I'd share that with you. If you liked this tutorial, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know that you liked it so that I keep making videos. And if you have any ideas for videos that you would like to see by me, please feel free to comment, and I would be more than happy to try some new things for you guys. So whatever you want to see from me, just let me know and I will do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.